A small, precisely engineered lever designed for the deliberate impression of language. Note the smooth, often slightly concave surface of the keycap, shaped for the tactile engagement of a fingertip. Observe the embossed character, a letter, number, or symbol, standing proud and ready to leave its mark. Examine the connecting stem, a slender extension leading down into the intricate mechanics below, poised to translate a gentle press into a forceful strike. Feel the slight give, the potential energy waiting to be released with a measured touch. Think of its purpose: a direct conduit between thought and inscription, a physical interface for the creation of text. Each key represents a unit of communication, a building block of narratives and ideas, a small purposeful actuator of expression.